Even if you possess one of the latest and most advanced Android phones, your device might exhibit slower performance than expected. This could be attributed to various factors, so there's no need to worry if your new Android phone doesn't operate at the optimum speed right out of the box. Nevertheless, if you are concerned about the performance of your new phone, we recommend the following these essential steps after setting up your Android device. These steps can help you address common issues encountered with a new phone. Additionally, if your old Android device is struggling, here are crucial tips to enhance its speed. Number 1 is to restart your phone. Although it may seem obvious, restarting should be your initial troubleshooting step if you observe a sudden decline in performance. Some background processes can temporarily slow down your phone, and pinpointing them can be challenging. A quick and effective way to halt these processes is by performing a restart. While Android's memory management is typically excellent, a reboot can enhance overall performance, especially if your device has 3 GB or 4 GB of RAM or less. It is advisable to restart your phone at least once a week, and sluggishness persists between reboots, consider increasing the frequency to every other day. The second thing that you can do is to free up storage space. If you own an Android phone, you are likely familiar with the frustration of running out of storage. Performance can significantly decrease when your phone has minimal storage space left. Google suggests maintaining at least 10% of storage space for optimal performance, but keeping around 20% unused is even better. To free up storage space, navigate to the Setting app, access Storage Setting, or search for Storage and uninstall unused app, delete unnecessary photos, and clean up unused files. Uninstalling unused Android apps is crucial as they consume storage space and may affect memory RAM if running in the background. Remove apps you no longer use to enhance system smoothness and battery life. Individual app caches can be cleared by going to the Settings app, tapping on Storage and selecting Other apps, choosing an app and tapping Clear Cache. Number 3 is change the system animation speed. This function is normally for the developers, and altering the system animation speed won't directly speed up your Android phone, but create the perception of faster performance by reduction of animation delays. If animation on your Android phone feels slow and sluggish, consider turning off the system animation for a perceived improvement in performance. This setting is typically found in the developer option. Number 4 is using light edition apps, especially for social media platform, can be beneficial for older or low-end Android devices. With limited RAM and storage, one can be able to use light edition apps such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Those have light version apps. Number 5 is that you can update to the latest software. Normalize to check your software updates on your gadget. If your phone feels sluggish, Google and most manufacturers optimize Android with each new release, potentially freeing up system resources for faster uploading times and improving overall smoothness. Ensure you have the latest version of Android and update apps through Google Play Store, as apps update often include bug fixes and improvement. Considering turning on automatic updates in the Google Play Store for convenience. Number 6 is to perform a factory reset. If the problem persists, I would recommend that you factory reset your phone. A factory reset can be a drastic but effective measure to restore your device to its default state and erase all data. Before proceeding, make sure you create a backup for essential data. Extending your RAM. Extended RAM is a feature that utilizes a smartphone's internal storage to provide additional RAM. It may come in different names based on the manufacturer of your phone. For instance, Samsung calls this RAM Plus, Xiaomi refers to this as memory extension, and Vivo uses the term virtual RAM. Number 8, consider installing a custom ROM. For older or unsupported version phones, installing a custom ROM or kernel can be considered, but this may void the warranty. Ensure your phone's bootloader is unlockable before attempting to root and install custom ROM or kernel. By following these steps, you can address various factors contributing to the sluggish performance of your Android and potentially enhance its overall speed and responsiveness. If this problem of slowness persists, you can consult your manufacturer's care centers. That's all for this tech video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech video like this one. See you in my next video. Bye.